Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find Kittl promo codes. First of all, open Google and type in Kittl promo codes. Hit search and you will see a list of websites offering discount codes. Next, click on of the trusted websites like Coupon Birds and Don't Pay Full. These sites are great for finding active and verified promo codes. Choose a promo code suits your needs like 10% off, free trials, or exclusive offers and click on claim or copy code. Finally, head over to the Kittl website and your desired products to the cart and paste the promo code during checkout to see your discount applied. If the first code doesn't work, no worries, try another one from the trusted site to maximize your savings. That's it. Thanks for watching.